Yes, chef.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a homemade burger. We will need the following ingredients: beef mince, burger buns, lettuce, cheese, salt and pepper, parsley, tomato ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, breadcrumbs, garlic, onion, egg, and tomato. Full list of the ingredients in a downloadable recipe card and the description below. Start by crushing the garlic and chop into small pieces. Chop the coriander. Chop the onion. Slice the tomato evenly. In a clean bowl, place beef mince, chopped onion, breadcrumb, parsley, chopped garlic, Worcestershire sauce, pepper, salt, and fresh egg. Mix well. Shape into patty, same size as the burger buns. Brush the griddle with oil. And start grilling the patty on both sides. Place the cheese on top. Remove when it melts and set aside. On the same griller, place the burger buns. Grill for 2 minutes. And now we can start plating. Spread the mustard, tomato ketchup, lay the lettuce, place the burger patty, top with tomato slices. And that's how I make my homemade burger. See you next time!